This video will cover a wide range of topics. An additional summary of the Ripple versus SEC will be provided. We're going to discuss the SC now. Let's discuss the cost of XRP. The cost of XRP Bitcoin surge, we're going to review it when it arrives, and before we do, I have a few articles and a chart I'd like to show you. Take a seat, relax, and let's begin. $35 and 62,939 Bitcoins. Ethereum is now at $24.53, up 1.27% over the last 24 hours. It's up at the moment. The US dollar index is currently trading at 1.22%. Their money XRP is currently trading at 53.5 cents and is merely attempting to get up to 54 cents. It's up 6% overall right now. With the market capitalization of cryptocurrencies at $2 trillion, where do we go from here? My forecasts suggest that we will continue to rise until we witness the final potential decline or collapse in the price of Bitcoin, at which point we will finalize the deal. If you're in the market for some merchandise, Gap currently has an inventory sale going on. We're now working to clear out all inventory and get the fall and winter items into all 40 stores. We've reduced the price of all 30-ounce tumblers with engravings to $4.99 and the cups to $20. About 25 XRP are involved. You have the option to pay with a credit card or XRP. The koozies chain links are available in Solana. Moon Limbo stated, 1 month later, on September 6th, XRP's price was 52. The XRP is 53. The market has stated that there is little significance to the SEC's appeal in the Ripple case. I have been discussing this. I've been emphasizing that many people enjoy looking at these charts, which show what's happened in the last 2,448 hours, or 1 week. Zoom out and look at the bigger picture. We are currently sitting above 52 cents, and yes, I am aware that XRP was 60 cents last month. Despite the significant momentum in our favor, did we truly believe we had achieved all 3 goals? The goal of XRP was to break the 60, 66, and 75 Holy Grail. Even the second point, which was 65 cents, eluded us. We touched and tapped it, but it wouldn't stay. You have 3 to 5 days to close and hold. That wasn't what we got, so what took place? We lost it. We couldn't sustain 60 cents, so we responded in kind. Down as well, with many people blaming Ripple versus SEC. The price movement is a result of the SEC's appeal. It is untrue that the additional shitcoin that you believe is in a state of stagnation, decline, or reversion to 10 cents. Even slightly enlarge this area. After learning about ETFs, XRP dropped, and then we received the appeal. Despite the appeal from the SEC and subsequent price decline, our position remains stronger. People are more aware of the markets than they were in September. It appears that China is making significant progress in Bitcoin Asia equities, arguing that even with a 3 to 5% conversion fee from stablecoin USDT into stocks, this is a prudent move given the potential upside of 50 to 75% in China's stock market. It claims that Bitcoin has stayed mainly stable since late September. The aim is to stimulate a 20% increase in Chinese equities. The recovery in battered Chinese shares may be eating away at capital from cryptocurrency and the Asian equity markets. The capital rotation may not last long. Observe developments in China, especially considering the rumors of China's intention to venture into the cryptocurrency realm. If we allow Chinese capital to enter the cryptocurrency markets, they will indeed become the second biggest economy in the world. This will take us to the $7 to $10 trillion area in 2025, as Garlinghouse still informed us would be the case 3 months from now. He is clearly anticipating a surge in the fourth quarter, given our projections of between 4.5 and 5 trillion. The chart illustrates that if we close the month, as we did, September and October will consistently be positive months for cryptocurrency, with November and December following suit. I only have you temporarily. The cryptocurrency we will be discussing shortly, Bitcoin, is currently rising to 66K. According to cryptminute.com, the cryptocurrency is aiming for a new surge above the $63,500 zone. The price is currently trading above the 100-hour simple moving average at $63,750. On the hourly chart, there are connected positive trend lines providing support at $62,900. If the pair breaks over $642, we could see a move to $66,000. We have the chart available for you to view. Anyone interested in viewing it is encouraged to do so. I'm concentrating on the 66K mark here. According to this video, Bitcoin is trading at $62.89. However, we did not anticipate or believe that the rise to 66 would propel these markets higher. We had to hit 66,000 on the moon first. The next step is to return and fill the CME gap, which is estimated to be between $50,000 and $55,000. Once we complete that task, we can proceed to the parabolic pump. Upcoming in 2019, typically, October is an excellent month for cryptocurrencies. After 7 days, we're quite flat right now. We are currently neutral, but the 66,000 pumps will propel us into the desired green zone. At this pricing, XRP is looking for a breakout. Will it regain the ground it has lost, claims XRP? Price is accumulating over a support level of 50 cents. If it breaks through at 54.5 cents during the making of this video, it may accelerate higher. This video, which is about 535 cents, suggests that if the pair breaks through the 545 and 55C barriers, it may accelerate higher. Yes, but then what do we have? You already know that the aim is 60 cents. If it is not met, we must look to trade above and hold 60 cents. After that, we will make one more run. Once we remove those 66 cents, we will proceed with a run at 75 cents. Until we clear the remaining 75 cents, Target and I will be unable to discuss the dollar region, which is not yet here but is on the horizon. It will happen soon. I firmly believe that we will surpass the 75-cent zone this year. And after that, next year, where are my eyes directed? I believe the breakout will occur in 2025, but for now, you only have one target, and that's the one you were aiming for. It's just 75 cents for each of us. I'm constantly educating you about those figures. There's a rationale behind it. Many people mistakenly believe they can avoid paying these taxes because they only plan to use the mixer. However, what good is a mixer if you don't know it holds your money? The U.S. took action to seize $2.7 million from the Lazarus hack, tracing it back to Tornado Cash and other mixers. The system splits the $2.7 million into numerous smaller withdrawals, thereby dividing the transactions. Some people hold the belief that locating it can be challenging and that figuring out how to search for it is impossible. They possessed when I initially started investing in cryptocurrencies in 2017, I heard this story about Bitcoin being untraceable. However, a few years later, I learned that the U.S. government and FBI were saying, if you think your Bitcoin is untraceable, we have something else coming for you, so they can now trace it in addition to us. Every day, the legitimacy of the cryptocurrency trace Tornado Cash grows, underscoring the importance of treating these markets with seriousness. A combination of institutional funding and fewer frauds, hacks, and memes is the formula for success. Low D predicts that Bitcoin will reach 100,000. He's accurate. He is headed towards $10,000, and he is also correct. Solana will reach $1,000. All coins will follow suit and blow up at that location. Here, Bitcoin is undoubtedly hitting $100,000. The possible parabolic blow-up peak of 150 to 170, I received about $250,000. I estimated that the value of that soul would range from $1,500 to $2,000, based on our current valuation of $146. If you're going to tell me that I'm still going to receive a 7 to 8x with a potential 7 to 15x on it, I'm okay with it. That's the $8 to $110,000 area. Have a lot of soul, so I lied since Solana is better than the ordinary dollar car. I won't keep buying it. You understand how I operate. once an amazing cryptocurrency crosses my DCA, I cease purchasing it. As you can see, his movement perfectly matches mine. He believes that we will occasionally witness a slight downturn in the price of Bitcoin. We have reached the local highs. Let's see if we reach the lows now. We reached the $66,000 to $70,000 range. He believes that we trade there, but he is pushing for once those levels are reached. The retreat is back down. He believes we could drop as low as $45,000 to $49,000. You know, I've been working on this. 50 to 55 points will close the difference, and we'll probably hit the $48,000 area. This will be the final drop, but the short to medium-term surge in Bitcoin is imminent, so be ready. You must prepare yourselves.